Cdf offends the division of functions between the national and county governments to allow a CDF an instrumentality of the national government to undertake functions devolved to the counties. This clearly underscored the separation of power and that delivery of service is devolved to the county and the constituency is subsumed within the county, just the same way as the ward is.
The way the law is structured, and I think the one that they ruled on, there is another law that I think was passed and actually does approve. So there's been two conflicting laws. And so that matter is the only matter that can be resolved by the Apex Court and also the legislature, and especially between the Senate and the National Assembly.
There is also a constructive law for courts which involves building and developing the foundational principles of an emerging constitutional order. In aspiring democracies like ours, judiciaries have the potential to build a culture of constitutionalism.